What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Duo tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to start a new course or add a new language on Duolingo. So once you're on the Duolingo app, all you have to do is press the flag on the upper left hand side. That's going to basically be the that you're currently learning. So once you click on the flag, you will have the option there to add a new course. As you can see, I'm currently learning Czech, and I can click on the course there and I can just basically choose what I want to learn. So you can see that you can choose between math or music, and you can scroll down, you can find speakers, and you can choose different languages, of course. So this is basically the options that you have, guys, and you can choose what you really want to learn here. So as you can see, you have many languages, right? So you can go ahead, so it says for that speaker, and you can scroll down and you can choose whatever you want. So this is how you basically do it. So for example, if I want to learn Spanish, I can tap that and click and continue. And from here, you can just change the current course or change the language. It's really up to you, right? And from there, you'll have that added there. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.